Every great industry is built on precision. Every breakthrough depends on reliability. Behind these precision and reliability, there is a partner who makes it possible with passion, Carboloy. Founded in 2010 in Coimbatore, India, Carboloy began with a clear vision: to deliver precision solutions that industries can depend on. With over 2 decades of experience as a toolroom engineer and hands-on expertise in tool design, assembly, and product manufacturing using precision techniques in Singapore, our founder, Mr. Sundar, established Carboloy in India. Today, Carboloy is ISO 9001:2015 certified and recognized as one of India's leading tool and die makers, trusted across the globe for innovation, quality, and consistency. Our facility spans 20,000 square feet, where a team of over 100 skilled professionals design, develop, and manufacture precision tooling and components. From concept to design to completion, every product we deliver carries our stamp of accuracy, reliability, quality, and consistency. Our comprehensive product portfolio includes jigs and fixtures, dies and molds, machine tools, high-speed progressive tooling, aerospace spares, micro-piercing tools, multi-cavity dies, tube-forming tools, turnkey projects, and inspection gauges. We also support the supply of high-volume pressed components and high-precision machine components for high-performance industries worldwide. We can be your trusted partner for prototype requirements, single-part supplies, or low-volume sheet metal and machine components, always delivered with precision. Carboloy serves a diverse range of industries, including aerospace and aviation, defense, automotive, medical and pharmaceuticals, electrical and electronics, semiconductor, textiles, leather, automation, oil and gas, marine, and general engineering. Our strength lies in our infrastructure and quality systems. A modern machine shop equipped with high-precision vertical machining centers, CNC turning centers, high-precision wire EDM machines, CNC EDM sinkers, conventional milling machines, surface grinders, and cylindrical grinders. A versatile tool room and machine shop for design and prototyping, and a dedicated quality control division with all kinds of conventional measuring instruments, ZIS, CMM inspection, and visual measuring systems, ensuring absolute accuracy. We also collaborate with trusted partners for all types of surface treatments, MIG and TIG welding, and heat treatments, forming a complete ecosystem for end-to-end tooling solutions. Over the years, we've delivered tools up to 2 meters in size, supported both high-volume production and custom projects, and built partnerships that last. Our journey is built on the trust of our clients in India, the United States, Europe, Southeast Asia, and beyond. Carboloy is more than a manufacturer. We are a partner in your progress, a builder of your trust, a driver of your innovation. We engineer the future with precision. Carboloy, delivering passion with precision.